Hello, and welcome to this introductory presentation about MO1022 Skill Sharing 1. This module supports you and your health service to develop, implement and evaluate a work-based training program in skill sharing tasks. You will select a clinical task or tasks that your local health service requires you to deliver in a skill shared capacity, and which is supported by the approved or planned local service delivery strategy explored in MO1055. You'll draw upon the knowledge gained in MO1055 relating to risk, quality, systems and processes to support the integration of skill sharing into your service. Skillshare clinical task clusters supported by this module are activities of daily living and function, foot care, and mobility and transfers. The intended learning outcomes for this module are that you'll be able to initiate, plan and evaluate a specific skill sharing training plan in collaboration with colleagues using processes and documentation relevant to a workplace, and apply specialised knowledge to achieve competency or progress towards achieving competency in the identified clinical task or tasks within the scope of the relevant health service model. This module goes for 6 weeks with 22 hours expected workload. You can see the weekly topics here. In week 1, skill sharing and training programs in your local context, you will refresh your understanding of skill sharing and get familiar with your organisation's training processes. You will conduct an organisational readiness check and training review before reviewing your skills, experience and clinical knowledge. In week 2, Skillshare training task plans, you will familiarise yourself with and conduct a task implementation check on your chosen clinical task before adding task-specific training skills and knowledge details to your plan. You'll develop a learning description and organise practice sessions before adding details to your competency assessment overview and sign-off. This will culminate in a completed Skillshare training task plan. In week 3, independent study, you'll undertake independent study on your chosen clinical task. In week 4, supervised practice task delivery 1, you'll observe or simulate practice of your chosen task before delivering the task while supervised. You'll then record and discuss your performance and clinical reasoning before reflecting upon your task delivery. In week 5, supervised practice task delivery 2, you will again deliver your chosen task while supervised, this time video recording the delivery to aid your reflection. You'll then record and discuss your performance and clinical reasoning before reflecting upon your task delivery. In week 6, supervised practice task delivery 3, you'll once again deliver your chosen task while supervised, again video recording the delivery to aid your reflection. You'll then record and discuss your performance and clinical reasoning before reflecting upon your task delivery and comparing your delivery techniques. Each week you will have several learning activities that will take up to 4 hours a week to complete and includes the time you spend on your assessment. A single assessment task is due at the end of the module in week 6. The task is a written competency progression report which will illustrate your competency progression of your chosen clinical task delivery, and a written reflection that synthesises your thoughts about your experiences during your supervised practice task delivery. You will also have the opportunity to submit a formative piece of work at the end of week 2. This is the Skillshare training task plan, which is designed to help you identify and articulate organisational and personal requirements needed to implement a single clinical task. We've built in some opportunities for you to interact with the content, the module coordinator and other participants who are taking the module at the same time. There are learning activities which include contributing to online discussions. This will provide a chance and an expectation for you to swap professional insights with others who may be from the same or other health professions. This mutual exchange of knowledge is the basis of successful collaborative team practice, so we hope you'll join in. You'll find the module outline in the Start Here folder. It contains your module coordinator's contact information, all details of the assessment task and marking criteria, information about applying for extensions, any module prerequisites, and the module calendar. Please don't hesitate to get in touch for any questions or concerns, and enjoy the module.